Everybody, I'm back again with another video. This time I'm changing out my hood vent for my Mini Cooper S. Now I actually have the Clubman, but it's the same as the R56 S. I have a 2009, but got this off Amazon. Just a basic black hood scoop. Now my other one was color matched, but it started to warp out, as you can see right here. So what I'm going to do is take it and swap it out. So the main thing you have to start off with is you have to take out this screw that's right at the bottom. So let's do that. So the screw goes in and spreads out the plastic, and that goes into this hole right here, and that's what's holding it down. Here is the new one, and it has all these little places to take the mounting hardware. So it doesn't come with any mounting hardware other than what's in the bag here, but so that's what it comes with, and the rest of it you're gonna have to supply yourself, I guess. Looks like fun. So that's what it comes with for installation guide, just showing you how to put this grill on your hood scoop, but not how to put it on the car. Put this grill on, they don't really tell you that in instructions because it kind of has that depression in there. You would think it goes this way, but that's reversed. So what you got to do, flip it over, natural curvature, the unit should fit flush and clean. Then you put your screws in. So now you just got to take out these little push-in, slide-in mounts, and some of them popped out with all the mount already inside, and other ones didn't. So what you're going to have to do is slide them in the correct order and then pop them back in. So in this case, since this is turned that way, that's my top right-hand corner. I was missing the pin, so I just have to slide this pin in and replace them. Kit comes with this screw here, and I didn't know what it was for, but you have to reach around in here. I don't know if you can see anything in there, but it's basically, you have to reach in with the metal plate and then take this big screw and find it so that it will hold it down so that it doesn't fly off. But then it's all installed. So that's the new hood scoop installed. The car is dirty as hell. Gotta go get it washed after this. So anyway guys, that's my video. Hope you found it informational, and if you did, please click like. If you really liked it, please subscribe. I'm gonna get the tech out of here. Later.